Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to use copying and pasting features on this laptop. First, let me enter some sample text into this empty text document. Now, to copy this text or part of it, you have to select the text that you want to copy and then either right click and select copy or use CTRL C combination of keys. You can also cut this text out by either right-clicking and selecting cut or using CTRL X combination of keys. To paste the text, use CTRL V. And to use the clipboard and have different texts that you can paste, use Windows V combination of keys, click turn on, then make a couple of clips by copying different parts of the text, and then by using Windows V combination of keys you can select which part of the text you want to paste. Okay, and now let me show you how it works in the File Explorer with your files and folders. Let's go to the videos folder, for example, screen recordings. Here we have a video file. Now, to copy it, you can either click this icon right here or right click and select copy. You can also use CTRL C combination of keys, and in the same way you can cut this file out of this directory by selecting cut or right click and select cut or use CTRL X. To paste this device, you have to use CTRL V combination of keys, and as you can see, if we paste this file into the same directory, it will tell us where the original file is and where is the copy. If you cut this file and transfer it to the different folder, it will be removed from the original directory. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.